Welcome to Traffic. Today's video will discuss some common mistakes that we do while creating HTML document. The first mistake we do while we save the HTML document, let me write some basic tags. The first line is always doc type HTML, and now you see there I did a mistake. Doc type, it should be together, HTML, then HTML close. Now while we save the file, just we are giving the name. Suppose it is index, and I am saved the file. Now when I will open the file, this is my index file on the desktop. When I'll open the file, it will not open the out. Just we'll see the commands. Even if we open the file on a browser, let's open with, or let me open the browser itself here. Even if I open the file on a browser, at that time also we will see only the commands, only the codes. We will not see the output. The reason is that we have saved the file as text file, not as a .html. So how we will overcome from the mistake? So for that, while we save the file, first we have to go file, save as, then you will type the file name first. After that you will give a period or full stop. After that you will write HTML, then save as type, click there and you select all files and save. Now go to the desktop where you have saved a file. This is my file. When I'll double click it, it will open here. Now I will not see any output because I have not written their body and head part, so there will be no output. If I need any output, so we'll write body, and inside body we will write something. Now I have written something. Let's see. So I will see only text because I have written only text inside the body. Now we will talk about the next mistake. What we do, I have observed many students do this mistake. They are closing the empty container tag by this one, by this backward slash, backward or forward. I exactly forgot the name for that particular. Please write in comment section if you know what this slash name. So they are giving the slash in opposite side. So remember, this is a wrong way to give the slash, and even some students are giving this slash, means the straight one, which we call as pipe. So these are wrong way to close the tag. If we save the file, if I save the file and open it on the browser, still I will see the out. So here see, instead of the closing directly, I have seen the command here because the closing is not proper. So always the closing tag should be closed by this slash. So remember this. Okay, then third mistake, many students do this mistake. Instead of giving this bracket, some students are giving these brackets, which we use in normal bracket, which we call as normal bracket or simple bracket, these brackets. So this bracket is also a error mistake for HTML. Always the bracket should be angular, like HTML, and we should not give any spaces between the brackets. And one more mistake, attributes. While we give attribute to the tag, always we have to give one space after the tag name. Suppose I want to change this page color to yellow, so I have to use bg color attribute. If I don't give any spaces, just I write bg color equal and the color name, it is yellow. Now if I save the file and open the file, I will see nothing here. I will not see any color here. Reason? The reason is the browser will indicate the body busy color itself as a tag. So we will not see any effect on this tag. So how will correct this mistake? Just after body we will give one space. After giving one space, save the file and see the output. So now the color changed of the page. Now for changing the text color, if we are giving the attribute inside body, our attribute is text. We will write text. After that, the color name, let it be green. Now so the text appear in green color. I have zoomed the page so that you can see, or let me give another color. Green is not visible in yellow. Let me give red color. So now you can see the text changes to red color. But if we use CSS instead of attribute, suppose these two things I want to do by using CSS, not by using tag attributes. So we have to write CSS. For that we will write, if we use inline CSS, then we will write style equal within inverted comma the first property, which is BACKGROUND dash color colon, then the color name, which is yellow. Suppose I need to give just one attribute, then this part is done. Now let's see. So it's yellow color, that means my work is my code is working. Let's change the color to some other. Let it be pink now. So it's working. Now I have to give text color. Now have you seen the difference? While we write attribute, at that time we give busy color, but while we are using CSS, instead of busy color we are writing background dash color. And to add the next attribute we will give semicolon and the attribute name. Here the attribute name is color, but inside the tag we are writing text, that remember, but in CSS we are writing color. So color with pink, I think red will do. Let's see. So it changed. So this thing you have to remember while we are using attribute or CSS properties. Sometimes they are a bit different, they are not same. And this type of CSS is known as inline CSS. Some other mistakes are also there, like some students are confused with BR tag. I have seen some are writing like BR here, one BR, and next line again writing text, again closing the BR this way, B/BR, and again writing something. So this is actually wrong. It will not give us any mistake on the browser. We will see the output, but actually it is wrong in a standard form, because BR is an empty tag. It does not require any closing. So directly we'll write without any /BR, and if you want to actually close the BR, after the R you will give the slash. This is the standard form of closing an empty tag. So this part I think done. Now you will know how to save a HTML document properly. To save the HTML document, again I am saying you will go to file, save as. After that you will select your folder or drive where you want to save. As you are learner, for you it might be difficult to find that folder and all, and even in school also. So you always select desktop, and in file name you write the file name. After the file name you will write .html. Then save as type you will select all files, and after that save. As I already saved this document, so it's showing already exist. Sometime in school while you are making HTML document, there might be already file with that particular name, at that moment what he will do, suppose I want to give a different name to this file, so after the index I can give some other number, suppose index 1. Now I can easily save it, and in my desktop there will be one more index file available here. So this way we can overcome from some common mistake that we do in HTML. And remember, empty tags we don't have to close. Container tag closing should be proper. If we don't close the container tag, sometimes it spoil the structure or it mess up the structure of the web page. So this for today's video. If you have any other confusion for creating HTML document in your laptop or computer or even in mobile, you can write it in comment section. You can also join our Telegram channel where sometime I'm sharing PDF notes, and even some other members are sharing question papers and notes, so easily you will able to communicate with friends. Already we have 32 members, so here are the member list. And one more advantage of having joining in Telegram is that your mobile number will be private. Other member will only see your username, so it is more secure than WhatsApp groups. Other will not able to disturb you by calling your number. So this is the advantage of having Telegram. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. See you in any video. Till then, take care and bye.